Weather Service each Wednesday, between 10 a.m. and noon, and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bell, Bosque, El Real, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McClellan, Milam, and Robertson. This concludes the test of Weather Radio Station West XK35. Time is 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK35, serving the Waco listening area.